So, alright, today we are going to emphasize on this particular something, which is all about a lot of people will be asking this question now. All this blood where you see for your body, say if you have any injury now for your body, where are they actually coming out from? Then from there we will talk about all this SS of 13, AS of 13, and all that. You understand? So this blood you are seeing that is coming out from your body, they are being produced just like wholesale, retail, and all that. You understand? They are being produced in a particular place, and that particular place is called bone marrow. Both white blood cell, platelet, and the red blood cell, which is hemoglobin, are being produced in a particular place. That particular place is called bone marrow. You understand? That particular place that is producing blood is bone marrow. Then in that particular place now, that is what is called hematopoiesis. Hematopoiesis. This hematopoiesis now, the real work of it is just to help in the production of blood, both white blood cell, red blood cell, and platelet. That is the work of this hematopoiesis. Then after production of that goose, which is this blood cells, these three blood cells now, there is what is called erythropoiesis. This erythropoiesis now will help the blood cell to mature. Do you know what I mean by helping it to mature? Separating it that, yes, you are red blood cell, go to this bloodstream. Then you are white blood cell, you white blood cell, go to this place. Then you will be platelet, go to this place like this. You understand? That is just the work. It will help to mature the blood cells, then and send it to the bloodstream. That is the work of this erythropoiesis. You understand? Then the question is, this abnormal, because the bone, if you are talking about SS and AS, is just all about abnormal red blood cell. If you are talking about SS, we are talking about abnormal red blood cell. That is the red blood cell that is not okay or good. You understand? Due to say maybe your father or red blood cell is not good. Your mother's own is not good. If you join them together now, that means say they will born the one way no good like that. That is why with the advice on now, please and please, if you want to marry, check your genotype. Very, very important. So that is it. And if something like that happen, that means say the children of those people will become SS or SAS, which is SS especially, which is abnormal red blood cell we are talking about now. You understand? Then when you are coming for all these supplement, what are the medication? Is there any medication that will change the bone marrow? Is there any supplement that can change the bone marrow? Yes, there are some supplementary medication that can change the bone marrow. You understand? And that is that bone marrow when the bone marrow is not right for correct. Maybe when the bone marrow is not good, when it's spoiled due to the genetic destiny, you understand, from the mother and the father, when it is not good, there are some supplements that will handle that by God's grace. So you understand that we handle that bone marrow or abnormal bone marrow. You understand? So that is it. Then these are the medication that can regulate that thing. Number one. So that is it. There are plenty supplementary medication that will handle maybe if your bone marrow is not okay. Maybe the one you generated from your parent. If your bone marrow is not okay, there are many medication you can use in order to correct that. But before then, always try to consult your doctor before you use any medication, especially supplement. So try to consult your doctor. Number one supplement you need to be taking is folic acid. Folic acid supplementary medication. That is what you need. Then the second one you need to be using is all this calcium supplement and vitamin D supplement. All those one now are reaching the bloodstream and the bone. You understand? Vitamin D and calcium supplement. Then another one you need to be taking is all this ekweja. You understand? All this what is the name self? All this fish oil or ekweja. You understand? This EPO simply means erythropoietic. Then that erythropoietic is just a process by which the blood is matured. The red blood cell is matured and being transformed inside your bloodstream. That is what that EPO, that is EPO, mean. You understand? So that is it. All these supplements now, Equeja or fish oil. Then secondly, folic acid. Then the third one is this calcium and vitamin D supplement. If you know you are an adult and you are suffering from this excess of a thing, these are the supplementary medication that can change. You understand? They say it cannot change, but I'm still doubting it. I'm still doing more research in order to find something. But maybe we test this one first. If you test this and it works for you, fine. You will see that this thing we are telling you is just an evidence. A lot of people, like some people now have tested it. And a lot of people that say yes, because I said that the person I give it to, her own changes. You understand? The person my doctor recommended it to, her own changes. And a lot of people are saying it may be incorrect machine. Maybe they used to test that thing that is showing incorrect or something like that. Maybe the machine is not okay. You understand? We are still investigating on that. You understand? But all this medicine now them they handle wrong or abnormal bone marrow. This medicine that I just mentioned now, these 4 to 5 medicine that I just mentioned are the one that will handle if the bone marrow is not okay. They will handle it by God's grace. So that is it. Very important.